Today I'm going to show you how to fillet edges in SketchUp using a simple, repeatable workflow that gives you smooth, rounded corners fast. This is one of those techniques that can instantly make your models look cleaner, more professional, and way more realistic, especially if you're modeling furniture, product designs, boxes, or architectural details. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more SketchUp tips, and let's jump right in. First, you need to create the path for the fillet. In SketchUp, the fillet works best when the edges you want to round are connected in one continuous loop or along a clear edge path. So if you're working on the top of a box, for example, make sure the edges are all connected properly. A good simple test is to click the edges you want to round and confirm they form the shape you want the fillet to travel along. Now let's draw the fillet profile. This is the small 2D shape that will be swept along your edges. Go to one corner of your object where you want the rounded edge to begin. Select the 2-point arc tool, which you can usually access with the A shortcut. Click on one edge first, then click the adjacent edge to define the curve. As you draw the arc, keep an eye on the color. When the arc turns magenta, that means it is tangent to the edge, which is exactly what you want for a smooth, clean transition. That tangent connection is what helps the fillet look natural instead of sharp or broken. After the arc is in place, you need to close the profile. Draw lines from the ends of the arc back to the corner point so you create a small closed face. It should look like a triangle shape with a curved side. This little face is what SketchUp will use as the cutting profile when you run the Follow Me tool. If the face doesn't appear, zoom in and make sure your lines are fully connected because SketchUp needs a closed shape to recognize it. Next, select the path you want to fillet. Switch to the Select tool using the spacebar, then click the edges you want to round. In many cases, it's easier to select the entire top face of the object because SketchUp can then automatically work with the full set of bounding edges. If you're new to this, take a moment to make sure the correct edges are highlighted before moving on because the Follow Me tool will use exactly what you have selected. Now it's time to execute the fillet. Find the Follow Me tool in the toolbar. It's often hidden under the Push/Pull tool, so you may need to click and hold to reveal it. Once you've selected the path, click the small arc profile you drew earlier. SketchUp will instantly sweep that profile along the selected edges and remove the sharp corner, leaving you with a rounded fillet. If everything was set up correctly, the result should be smooth and continuous all the way around the path. If the fillet doesn't come out the way you expected, don't worry. The most common issues are usually a broken edge path, a profile that isn't fully closed, or an arc that wasn't tangent to the adjoining edge. Go back and check those details first, because those three things solve most problems. Also, the cleaner your geometry is before you start, the easier the result will be. That's the basic workflow for filleting edges in SketchUp. Create the path, draw the arc profile, select the edge path, and use Follow Me to sweep the curve. Once you practice it a few times, this becomes a very fast way to add rounded details to almost any model. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SketchUp tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.